Thank you for buying this Enagic Water Ionizer. You've made the right decision. It's going to provide you and your family with many years of great tasting Kangen water. For over 40 years, we've been changing people's lives one drop at a time. We actually say, change your water, change your life. Not only has Kangen water helped change lives by providing great hydration with alkaline ionized water, Kangen water has also improved the financial lives of hundreds of thousands of families around the world. Let me explain. Now that you have an Enagic machine hooked up in your kitchen, you're in the perfect position to share Kangen water with your friends, family, and associates. Here's what's going to happen. Some of the people you share Kangen water with are going to say, "I love this water. How can I get one of these machines?" The answer is simple. You can help them order one, and you're just one piece of paper away from getting a reward every time someone does. Just fill out the W-9 form we've enclosed in the box. Fax it to us, take a picture and email it to us, or put it in an envelope and mail it to us. Once we receive your W-9, we'll enter it in our system, and we'll be ready to start sending you checks. You already have an Enagic distributor ID number. It's on the top of the receipt that was in the box. If you don't see it, just call us and we'll tell you your ID number. When someone wants a machine, you can help them fill out the paperwork or help them go online to order it. Then just add your ID number to the order and, for example, if they buy an SD501 and pay with a credit card, we'll send you a check for $285. When you send in your next order, you'll get another check for $285. If either of those two people find someone who buys a machine, they get a check for $285 and you'll get another check for $285 as well. That's right, every time, every sale, whether you make the sale or if one of your customers makes the sale, you get paid. In fact, when you've reached your third machine sold, your check increases to $570 per machine, and it keeps increasing. It can actually go all the way up to $1,710 per machine. We have a separate DVD you can watch that will tell you all about the generous compensation plan. The bottom line is that we want to thank you for sharing Kangen water. Every time someone wants a machine and you submit the order, you're helping another family have access to Kangen water, and we'll send you a thank you check. Unlike most businesses, you don't need any inventory, you don't need an office or employees. You simply help people place an order. We collect the money, and we send you a thank you check. We have a wide variety of interesting DVDs, brochures, and books that can help you tell the Kangen water story. We've included a few free samples here in the box for you to share with your friends, family, and associates. If you have any questions about hooking up your machine or helping a friend order one, our customer support team is standing by. You can reach us toll-free at 866-261-9500. Thank you for your order and welcome to Enagic.